are you? I'm here in El Colorado, a ski resort in Chile. Santiago, the capital, is down there, down in the valley. And we've been here for a week enjoying a fantastic week of skiing in the early season here in the southern hemisphere. The season generally goes from June the 20th to September 18th, 20th too. But this year, snow started coming down on May 18th. So it's been a fantastic week. The weather has been perfect. And I took the advantage of being here this week, and I brought some of the products that I get in Miami for testing and reviewing. This is the Syncwire wireless FM transmitter. I have to be honest, I didn't have any idea what this was for. And this little device allows you to connect your phone in a car that doesn't have Bluetooth. This one has it. This is a Land Rover Discovery, pretty modern model, but this one will allow people to connect this phone through the FM frequency here so they can hear the calls much clearer. Plus, it has a couple of USB drives, one regular and one C, so you can charge other devices. For example, I mean, this camera that we are filming with, you cannot see it, but we could put this wire and charge the phone or the camera or anything else as we go. So this adapter goes here in the lighter that modern cars don't have a lighter anymore. We don't smoke in cars anymore. Some people do, but maybe they use something else. So you can see here are the little speakers that would allow you to connect the phone. Let's see, there you go, it's connected there. So now that we have it there in the lighter outlet, let's go to Bluetooth here in the phone and look for the device. It should come up pretty quickly here. What's the name of it again? Syncwire. There it is. Syncwire XE966. So you connect it there. And now we're set. And I guess I should read the instructions. Let me see. Yeah, I missed them here. So here are the instructions. Oh, this is the warranty, important too. Operation guide here. So it works on FM. We have a lot of glare here because the sun is coming down that way, so it will be difficult to look. But basically, what you will do is find an FM frequency here on the radio, and then like connect it to the device. And after that, your phone is connected through the device, and then your conversation on the phone will come out through the radio system. You adjust the volume the same way as you do on the car, and then as you can see here, you have a button to answer the phone or make a phone call, change the channel, and then hang up. So this little device is very useful again for vehicles that don't have a Bluetooth system integrated already in the car. So it is a great solution. And as I mentioned, I brought him other wires we could charge here. So you get an additional 2 chargers for other devices in your vehicle because you never have enough of those. So great product, recommended for all tech vehicles and maybe a boat or something else that you can use it for. So very, very useful. There you go. Syncwire car wireless FM transmitter. Let's go skiing now.